3, 2, 1, start. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, here we are in a game. Whoever's watching this, I don't know who am I gonna be sending this first to or uploading this. So we're in a game called Just Tornadoes 2. This is the radar map. I'm currently waiting for a tornado. Tornadoes should spawn in a minute. And there's currently no warnings and it's a low high risk. Currently, we're waiting. Oh my god, okay, really high. Tornado warning! Where is it? There it is, okay. Wait for it to move. One stud. Good, it's moving in that direction. Go. So you want to go. Want to switch outbreak. So there's one tornado. Oh, it's purple. I think that's going to be a very good thing because researching. Lie down. Down. Check. Okay. Side. Check it. Okay, let's go. Put a gyro probe here. Gyro probe, missile probe, and gyro probe. Oh no. Wait, already? Okay, we have to deploy. Go check. Yep, it's definitely hitting us.